I bet you didn't know the hidden secret that millionaires use to multiply their money effortlessly. It's like they have this secret playbook filled with strategies that unlock exponential wealth. Well, today, we're cracking open that playbook and revealing the hidden secrets millionaires use to grow their wealth. We're diving deep into the habits, the mindsets, and the investment strategies that set them apart. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to start building your own path to financial freedom. You want to live like a millionaire? Well, it starts with how you begin your day. The morning routine of a millionaire is not just about waking up early, it's about setting the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. It starts before the market opens, often before the sun even rises. This is the time when the world is quiet and the mind is clear. Most millionaires aren't hitting snooze until noon. They're up at the crack of dawn, ready to seize the day. They're up early, often before the sun, getting a head start on the day. This early rise gives them a significant advantage over those who sleep in. And no, they're not checking emails and stressing over news headlines. Instead, they take this time to focus on their well-being. Instead, they're focused on themselves. Meditation, journaling, and reflection are common practices. We're talking about a dedicated morning routine. This isn't just a series of random activities. It's a carefully curated ritual designed to optimize their mental and physical state. Think about it. A solid workout to get the blood flowing and the mind sharp. Exercise is a non-negotiable part of their morning. Then, a healthy breakfast to fuel the day ahead. Nutritious meals are essential to maintain energy levels and focus. And most importantly, they take time to plan their day, setting clear goals and prioritizing tasks. This planning session is crucial for maintaining direction and purpose throughout the day. This isn't just about checking things off a to-do list. It's about strategic focus, about maximizing every single hour. They understand the importance of working smarter, not just harder. Remember, time is the one asset you can't make more of. Every second counts, and how you spend your morning can set the tone for the rest of your day. Millionaires understand this, and their morning routine reflects that. By investing in themselves first thing in the morning, they set themselves up for success day after day. Let's be real, just wishing for wealth won't get you there. It's not enough to simply desire financial success or dream about a life of luxury. Millionaires don't just dream about financial success. They obsess over specific, measurable goals. They understand that without a clear target, their efforts can easily become scattered and ineffective. We're not talking about vague aspirations like making more money. Vague goals lead to vague results. Millionaires set their sights on concrete targets, a specific net worth, a certain number of investments, a tangible business milestone. They know exactly what they want to achieve and by when. And here's the key. They don't just set these goals, they break them down into actionable steps. Each step is a small, manageable task that brings them closer to their ultimate objective. They create a roadmap, a detailed plan of action, with milestones to track their progress. This roadmap serves as a guide, helping them stay focused and on track. This isn't about luck, it's about clarity, strategy, and relentless execution. It's about knowing what you want, planning how to get there, and then putting in the work every single day. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Without a clear plan, even the most ambitious goals can remain out of reach. Millionaires understand this, and they treat their financial goals like a well-calculated investment strategy. They know that success is not an accident. It's a result of deliberate planning and disciplined execution. Ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? Well, Millionaires live by it. They understand that building a strong network is crucial for success. They surround themselves with other driven, successful individuals, people who inspire them, challenge them, and open doors to new opportunities. But it's not just about rubbing shoulders at fancy events. Millionaires leverage their networks strategically. They build genuine relationships, offering value to others and seeking out mentors who can guide them. Remember, you become who you surround yourself with. So, start building your network today. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and nurture those relationships. You never know where they might lead. Let's face it, stuffing your money under the mattress won't make you rich. While it might seem like a safe option, it's actually one of the least effective ways to grow your wealth. Inflation alone will eat away at the value of your money over time. Millionaires understand that true wealth comes from putting their money to work. They know that simply saving isn't enough. They need to make their money grow. They don't just save, they invest. Investing allows their money to generate more money through interest, dividends, and capital gains. And they don't limit themselves to just one asset class. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. We're talking about diversifying their portfolios. Stocks, which can offer high returns but come with higher risk. Real estate, which can provide steady rental income and potential appreciation. Bonds, which are generally safer and offer fixed interest. Private businesses, you name it. Each type of investment has its own risk and return profile. They understand the importance of spreading risk and maximizing returns. By not putting all their eggs in one basket, they protect themselves from market volatility. But it's not just about throwing money at random investments. Millionaires do their research, analyzing market trends and potential returns. They consult with financial advisors who provide expert guidance and help them navigate complex financial landscapes. And they make informed decisions based on their risk tolerance and financial goals. This strategic approach helps them stay on track and adjust their plans as needed. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. It's about building long-term wealth through strategic allocation and consistent contributions. By regularly investing and rebalancing their portfolios, they ensure steady growth over time. In the world of wealth building, complacency is the enemy. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They're obsessed with expanding their knowledge and staying ahead of the curve. They devour books on finance, business, and personal development. They attend seminars and workshops, seeking out experts in their field. And they're not afraid to invest in their education, knowing that knowledge is a powerful asset. But it's not just about formal education. Millionaires are constantly learning from their experiences, their successes, and even their failures. They analyze their mistakes, adapt their strategies, and never stop seeking ways to improve. Remember, the moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing. In today's digital age, technology is a millionaire's best friend. They understand that leveraging the latest tools and platforms can streamline their businesses, automate their investments, and skyrocket their productivity. We're talking about everything from project management software to financial tracking apps, from online marketing platforms to real estate investment tools. But it's not just about using technology, it's about using it strategically. Millionaires are constantly evaluating new tools, testing their effectiveness, and integrating them seamlessly into their workflows. They understand that technology can be a powerful force multiplier, allowing them to achieve more in less time. Look, becoming a millionaire isn't just about financial strategies. It's about adopting a certain mindset. Millionaires share a set of core beliefs that drive their actions and fuel their success. They're incredibly disciplined, sticking to their routines, their budgets, and their long-term vision, even when things get tough. They're resilient, bouncing back from setbacks and using failures as learning opportunities. And most importantly, they have an unwavering belief in themselves and their ability to achieve their goals. Remember, your mindset is your most powerful asset. Cultivate a positive, growth-oriented mindset, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So there you have it, the hidden secrets millionaires use to multiply their money. Now that you're in on the secrets, it's time to take action. Start implementing these strategies today, one step at a time. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. Now go out there and start building your own path to financial freedom. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos on building wealth and achieving your financial goals.